Are you there, Andrew?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
But I got a sweet pig for the gram.
Damn it, dude.
Hey Andrew, give me some nuts. Yeah.
I hope that light stays red.
Do what?
I hope that light stays red.
I'm pretty sure it will. Why do you hope that?
I think it's about to turn green.
Not for us.
I hope not. I gotta zip up one of the pockets on my jacket so my wallet doesn't go flying out.
Oof. Hey, motorbike! Motorbike!
Where are you looking?
In racetrack parking lot.
I didn't see it.
It was a Harley boy. Okay, we're recording now. Oh, my fucking camera's gonna die. God damn it. We might be able to make it there and back.
Okay.
But if not, the other battery's in my at Dustin's house. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
So. I'm not doing it again. This lady over here in the Kia is like, what the fuck are these guys' problems?
No, the lady next to you is fucking laughing her ass off in that black shit.
Yeah. Gotta love that shit. I'm getting one pop. Are you hearing that shit?
Yeah.
Green light. Red light. I can hear myself coming through your headset.
Yeah. I bet you can. You noisy hoe.
I am a noisy slut. It's not funny when I do it because nobody else has a GoPro on.
It doesn't let me do clutchless shift-ups in low gears for some reason.
In low gear? That's odd.
Yeah, like I tried to do it from second to third and it wouldn't let me. I had to pull the clutch in.
I mean, I can clutchless downshift too. I hear myself.
That lady's probably like, dude, go the fuck away.
I hear Dustin. I hear him in your bike or your headset.
It's a very interesting sound with a stock exhaust for that.
Yeah, it is.
Not what I would have expected from a sport bike, you know?
Uh-huh.
But it's carbureted, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But you had to turn the choke off already.
The choke is off.
Yeah.
You only use the choke to start it and warm it up.
Oh my gosh, should we go fuck with Ben?
What?
Ben, my boss?
Yeah.
He lives right up here.
Oh, where is he?
Follow me.
Oh, you're looking for the car?
No, I know where he lives. He lives...
Oh, let's not go there.
He lives across the street
Let's
from
not do that.
Oh, okay, whatever. I was going to say, he lives across the street from where I used to live in there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I keep checking the camera. I can't believe I missed that much footage.
Is it still recording or no?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, you turned it back on?
Well, it was on. I just never hit the record button.
Get your bitch ass crossed.
Well, I can't. There's a car coming in both directions.
Fuck the cars.
Fucking right, doggy.
They're fucking cagers. They have to watch out for us, dog.
Gibbity bop bop. Bum 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 bum. Da 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 da. I'm faster.
Good job, Neil. You gassed it right when I let go of the throttle. Alright, I'm going to hang back a little bit, wait for them.
Alright. I was going to be cruising here. That's a dump truck.
Oh my god.
Love
An
that.
absolute dump truck.
Oh, yeah. Yes, 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 yes.
Oh, fuck, Daddy.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck. Andrew, pick up the pace. We're going to cut out.
I can't. You got to tell those assholes to speed it up.
Oh, leave it behind. Fuck it.
Slow pokes, like...
Hurry up. I can't hear you.
They're the ones being slow pokes, Neil.
Yeah, let them be slow pokes.
I am trying to haul ass.
Hey, we're behind where Boozers used to be.
Yep. On your left.
Alright.
Wish. Ooh, that was weird. It was hard getting it into fourth gear that time. Hey, I got a dumb question for you.
I got a dumb answer.
What the fuck does overdrive mean on a goddamn motorcycle?
Potatoes.
Potato?
I gave you a dumb answer.
You fuck. Okay, give me a good answer.
Okay, overdrive is just a lower gear than 1-to-1. It's a lower gear ratio, giving you further range. Theoretically, a higher top speed, but it's supposed to be better for mileage.
And like if you're going up hills, that would assist with that as well.
No, that you would want underdrive, which is every other gear.
Sorry.
You're good.
I didn't want to go through that. But honestly, dude, this seat is so comfy. Ooh, my legs are getting cold, and I moved them to where my fucking pegs are in the balls of my feet.
Yeah.
And I can feel the heat from the engine on my legs now. That's a new experience.
Load zone to bridge.
Dude, this is the area where I'd be going like 140 on the Ninja.
No
like,
shit.
Right down the middle, because this shit right here is all fucked. But like, right down the middle, I'd be flying down here, like, doing 120 and accelerating this fucking... Oh, yeah!
Oh, that hurt my tank.
Hell yeah. Watch out, bullshit. Bullshit all on the right. Bullshit all on the left. Stay like more in the center.
Dustin's riding the right. went right down the middle. Just like you said. Are you proud of me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Dude, whatever. Look at this fucking... They need to redo this road.
They'll never redo this road. Oh, there's Dustin. I couldn't see him again.
It's 1:30. What time does he need to be at work?
3 o'clock.
Alright, we got plenty of time.
I heard myself for a moment there.
I didn't even know you were that close until you went right by me. I was like, what the fuck was that?
Bumpity bump. Oh, I bounced a little bit. Did you see
Boink.
that?
Yep, I saw it.
Did you see that gap between my ass and the seat?
Oh yeah,
That's weird.
that fucking dump truck of yours.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Can I get a oh yeah? Oh yeah. GoPro's still chooching, man. I'm surprised. It's so pretty back here. I wish I could take my dirt bike back there.
I wish it were warmer.
Can confirm.
Because, like, I'm not too cold right now, but, like, it would just be nicer if it was warmer.
Well, yeah, if it was warmer, you wouldn't be wearing that jacket.
Yeah, that's true. Or the gloves. I'd be wearing mechanic gloves. Hey, slow up a bit. They're, like, way back.
Yeah, I see them. Oh, water. Oh, there goes Dustin. Fuck, let's go. It's cold.
All right.
Hey, I'm gonna cut. I'll talk to you about it later. How about that? I'll call you
Okay.
on my way home.
Okay.
It's something silly. You know what we've been doing for the boys?
Yeah.
I want to do that for Dustin and get him a, what's it called? Oh, we spooked the horsies. I want to get him a communicator.
When's his birthday?
I don't know.
You don't know.
No.
Well, just know not to put this video on YouTube at all.
Oh, I'll clip that part out.
I know when your birthday was, motherfucker.
When there's no talking, I clip those pieces out now. I know
Yeah.
you haven't seen them in a while.
Hey, where'd they go? I don't even see them now.
There they are. Whoa.
Yeah, way back there. Once we get to the stop sign up here, we should wait.
Okay.
I mean, it's not for probably another 2 miles or so, but
What is this
maybe
thing?
maybe mile and a half.
What is that sign?